Hello and welcome to Waste in Our World. My name is Darby, and today I'm going to teach you all about waste management at Roseridge Waste Commission. Welcome to Roseridge, a modern waste management facility built and operated to ensure that waste is sorted and disposed of properly to protect the environment. If you live in the Sturgeon Region, your waste comes to Roseridge. We are very lucky to have access to a waste facility in our community. Many of you might have even been to the facility. We serve the towns of Bon Accord, Morinville, Gibbons, Redwater, Legal, and Sturgeon County. We offer recycling programs, operate a compost facility, and any residual waste goes to landfill. Take a moment to think about an object you have that you love. Maybe a toy, a book, or electronics. Where did the materials come from to make it? What will happen to it when you're done with it? All of our stuff begins as raw materials. These are then produced and distributed to consumers. What we do with those raw materials and where our stuff goes when we're done with it can have very different effects on the environment. If I throw away the things I don't need anymore, will that hurt or help the environment? What do you think we can do to reduce negative effects of waste on the environment? Let's make a more sustainable model of waste management. We will begin the same way, by harvesting raw materials and producing and distributing goods. Then we will use those goods just like we do now. The next step is where things change. Rather than throwing away our waste, we can reuse, repair, repurpose, recycle, or compost it. Anything that is recycled is sent back into production, and the cycle continues. Anything that cannot be recycled is sent to landfill as waste. This is called a circular economy, or the cycle of stuff. In a circular economy, we reuse, repair, and recycle items before we throw them away. This way, we use fewer raw materials and introduce less waste back to the environment. Sorting material helps support our circle of stuff. Our plastics are recycled into plastic lumber in Legal for decks, fences, and garden beds. Now it's your turn to draw the cycle of waste, or the circle of stuff. Pick something in your lunch that will be waste when you're done with it. First, draw where it came from, or its raw materials. Next, show how it entered production, maybe in a factory. Then show how it was distributed to you. Did you get it at a grocery store, a gas station, your own backyard? Then show yourself consuming or using it. And finally, show what you'll do with it when you are finished. Can you recycle it? Can you reuse it? Or will it go to landfill?